What's going on YouTube, Instagram, whatever the fuck y'all want to call it. Y'all already know what's going on. It's Cozy World in the building right here. Got my man Rick the manager in the building.
Sir, Rick, man.
Y'all familiar? Stack Label. Y'all know what's going on. We also got Big Dog Joe in the building. Big Dog Fitness. You know he's gonna be in this episode right here. This is the introduction to the workout channel. And the first episode, what we're gonna be working on at the moment, this is gonna be the top 5 ways to get bigger arms.
How to get bigger arms, how to get a bigger upper body, how to get more depth in your arms, more size, more tone, all that. Couple of my ways how to get it. You know, everyone got their different ways.
Show them the arms, man. Look. You know what I mean?
See,
like I'm a little scrawny over here, so you know I'm gonna stick to the lower body. You know, skate game. So
we definitely get you to where you got to be at, though. Definitely.
So like I said, this is gonna be the first episode of many. This first episode, what we're gonna be working on, how to get bigger arms. We're gonna show y'all the top 5 ways to get some more muscle mass and what you can do in the gym to develop some more muscle strength and get some more straight up. Let's get it.
Yes, sir.
All right, so workout tip number 1. Let's get it, Rick.
Man, workout tip number 1. How about the bicep curls? Bicep curls. The way I like to do it, the way I get big, the way we're gonna get big. No locking out. Just keeping a constant motion. A lot of people like doing it, locking out, and all the way down, but you can do it 2 different ways. You can do it when you lock out, keep it in constant motion. That constant motion, keep that constant pressure on the bicep, and that's what I think can get you way bigger. So you can do it 2 other ways. You can do it to regular standard or the Rick standard, but you might want to hit that Rick standard to get really big out here, you know what I'm saying?
All right, we're gonna be doing the shoulder press to help with your triceps and your shoulders. You're gonna push it up, you're gonna come down slow. You're gonna push it up, you're gonna come down slow. It's all about the method, not speed. You go too fast, you're not gonna get the muscle that you need. That's about it for real.
All right, so technique number 3 right here. This is one of my workouts that I usually do when I'm working on my arms. A lot of you do is knock out some push-ups. 1 push-up. After that, just gonna bring that up 1 time. Just like what Big Dog Joe said, you feel me? When you're doing this shit, you wanna do this shit real slow so you really feel that shit in your arms. So, all right, what it is, Rick? What's technique number 4, man?
All right, technique number 4, man. We gotta have these dips. Come with me.
Let's get it, man.
This is the type of workout you do. You do this in 3 different workouts. You do these dips right here. You do the arm curls with the weights, and you do the push-ups. So you hit this. You probably do 4 sets of each of those, about 10 to 15 each. So you do push-ups, get some bicep curls, and help with these dips. So you get these dips, pop up. But you want to get real low. You try to go 90 degrees. When you get to my level, you get past 90 degrees. You go all the way up, extend out, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then once you get really into your jam, you know what I'm saying? You can hop on some of that or whatever. But
Real.
hop into it. Just hop into it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it.
Don't forget the Rey Mysterio jump. You're gonna wrap the legs around that jump.
We're gonna hit the bicep curls now. Y'all come with me.
Technique number 5.
So in this area, you're gonna feel it in the pectoral, you're gonna feel it in your biceps, you're gonna feel it in your deltoids, like right here. This is basically how you're gonna do it. You're gonna grab, you're gonna get a good position. You're gonna go all the way down full extent. You're gonna come up. You're gonna go down. You're gonna come up. Make sure you go slow so you get the full motions. When you go down, come up. Right here. Boom. That's it.
Technique number 5.